Burj Al Arab is a renowned luxury hotel located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is one of the most iconic buildings in the world and often considered one of the symbols of modern Dubai. Burj Al Arab is situated on an artificial island approximately 280 meters off the Jumeirah beach coast, connected to the mainland by a private bridge. The construction of Burj Al Arab began in 1994 and was completed in 1999. The architectural design of Burj Al Arab was conceived by Tom Wright of WKK Architects. The building's shape is often described as resembling the sail of a ship, which is a fitting design for its location along the coast. The building stands at a height of approximately 321 meters, 1,053 feet, and consists of 60 floors in total. Burj Al Arab was built using a combination of various materials. The exoskeleton, or the outer frame of the building, is made of steel. The exoskeleton provides both structural support and enhances the building's unique sail-like appearance. The sail-shaped facade of the building is made of Teflon-coated fiberglass fabric, which gives it a distinctive white color and helps with climate control. The foundation and core of the building are made of reinforced concrete, providing stability and strength. The foundation of Burj Al Arab was constructed using 230 concrete piles driven into the sand. These piles were driven to a depth of approximately 40 meters, 130 feet, to ensure stability on the artificial island. One of the most notable features of the hotel is its helipad, which is located at a height of 210 meters, 689 feet, above ground level. The helipad has been used for several high-profile events and stunts. The interior of Burj Al Arab is lavishly designed with opulent materials, featuring a blend of traditional Arabian elements and modern luxury. The hotel offers some of the most luxurious suites and facilities in the world. Burj Al Arab is engineered to withstand the harsh environmental conditions of its coastal location, including strong winds and the corrosive effects of seawater. Burj Al Arab is often referred to as the world's only 7-star hotel, though it is not officially rated as such. It is an iconic symbol of Dubai's transformation into a global city and a major tourist attraction. Burj Al Arab is a luxury hotel owned and managed by the Jumeirah Group. It offers a range of services and amenities, including multiple restaurants, bars, spa facilities, and access to a private beach. As one of the most extravagant and iconic buildings in the world, Burj Al Arab continues to attract visitors from all corners of the globe and remains a significant architectural achievement.